Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review.
No information from the street so far?
In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about another dope collaboration from Nike and one of the best boutiques in the world, Concepts. Concepts has been coming with it forever, man. You know, if you guys know anything about the Lobster collaboration, man, they came out with a bunch of different colorways, man. Very dope shoe, man. I was able to get my hands on a pair. My man Carl hit me up and said, I need you to do a review on these, man. So, you know, I had to bring it to the channel, man. But we're talking about the Green Lobster Nike SB Low Dunk. If you guys are familiar with Nike and their collaborations with other sneaker brands like skate shops and stuff like that, man, Nike SB has been trying to make a little comeback this year. Same thing with the Air Force One. I think they're trying to bring both of them back in 2019, man. But before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys will be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at the same handle at PENNY_4YT. And also, you guys can, if you guys want to email us, you see I got that P4YT merch on at all times, man. You see we got the hoodies and they coming through full effect. You guys can email us at P4YT2016@gmail.com. I want to wish you guys a happy new year. Hope your 2019 is blessed and full of joy. And I appreciate you guys taking the time and watching my channel, man. I put a lot of work into this channel. I'm a one-man army. I've been doing a lot of work on this channel. I know I haven't dropped a video in a while, but I got a lot of stuff coming in 2019. With that being said, let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go. Nike SB collaboration with Concepts, Green Lobster. Let's talk about it. Let's get into this shoe right here. First and foremost, you already know, OG Phil, fat tongue on the Nike SBs. Good look, Nike. You already know. This right here protects the skateboarder's foot. You know, when they do their tricks or whatever and they do a kick flip and the skateboard hits their foot, the fat tongue is there to protect their foot. You know, give them a little extra safety on their foot or whatever the case may be. As you can see, we got the green suede right here. It looks premium. It feels premium. It got a good feel to it. As you can see, it has the dark green swoosh. I don't know if y'all can see it. It might look black with the white outline. Suede in here, suede over here. As you can see, I got the picnic tablecloth here. In the inside, gives it like that picnic feel, that old, you already know. In the back, you got the Nike here, got the little things here. Black sole, green bottom right here. It comes with a bunch of different laces, like at least three or four different laces comes with these. You got, I believe it's green, black, pink, I think navy blue and black. What else is going on here, man? Look, suede toe box. Of course, man. Premium feel, man. The shoes, I believe Concepts was the only store that had this shoe. I believe. I don't even think Nike was selling these. I think only Concepts had them. And my man Carl, he pretty much gets everything. And when he gets something in his hand, he shoots right over to me and say, I need you to do this review. So, you know, I had to bring it to you guys or whatever the case may be. Green sole, man. Like, it gives you like that real OG feel, man. I feel like Nike is bringing back like a lot of the old school sneakers and stuff like that. I think in 2019 you're gonna get a lot of Nike Dunks and a lot of Air Force Ones. I think they're gonna come back with that premium Air Force One wave again, which is a good look because I love Air Force Ones and I love just OG stuff, man. You know, I may look young, but kind of up there in age, man. Not up there, but you know what I'm saying? Like, I love sneakers, man. I've been collecting sneakers forever, man. The Air Force Ones and Air Max Ones are two of my favorite silhouettes ever, man. But I like Dunks too, man. But these are clean, man. It's a very clean shoe. Like, if you're able to get your hands on a pair or any of the colors, man. I believe they came out with 4 or 5 different Lobsters. collaborations with concepts. So if you're able to get your hands on any pair, I don't think any color is a bad color to get. This green is definitely dope for like the winter time. You know we like to wear like green, wintry color. So, you know, makes sense. But yeah, man, the only thing I probably would have changed on here probably is this tongue color. I probably would have put a different color tongue on here. I'm not sure what color I would have put, but that's the only thing I probably would have changed on this shoe. But overall, it's a good look, man. And the packaging that came with this shoe is dope too, man. It comes with it's like a fisherman feel, like when you put your lobster and you put it like in a container or something like that. Came with a dope container, man, for this shoe, man. Super dope, man. Very clean, man. Nike, it's a well thought out release, man. You know, Concept did their thing with this collaboration. Great job, man. Concepts, they have a lot of classic shoes out there. You guys might want to go look up Concepts collaboration history with Nike and other sneaker brands too, man. Look them up, man. They one of the best boutiques in the world, man. So look them up, man. But you know it's time I gotta rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, man, I definitely gonna have to give this shoe, 4 out of 5 pennies, man. Can't go wrong with this, man. I like the color, man. I like the feel of the shoe. I like the look of the shoe, man. Let me know if you guys disagree. If you guys disagree, leave it in the comments below, man. But I really, really like this shoe. And I like what it stands for. It gives you like that OG feel, man. And can't go wrong with the OG feel, man. OG is back. There ain't too many new things in this world, sneaker-wise, that we like. We pretty much like a lot of OG stuff, man, which is dope. So, you know, if you guys are able to get your hands on a pair, StockX, wherever you guys go to get your shoes, man, flight clubs, stadium goods, man, go wherever you guys go to get your shoes, Round 2, wherever. You know, see if you can find a pair of these, man, for a good price, man. I heard that the resale value on these is really, really high, about $500-600 right now. So, you know, if you find anything cheaper than that, you really want the shoe, I think you should jump on it, man. But once again, man, wish you guys a happy new year, man, and a very blessed 2019. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.